Hi guys, this is Umo and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite African food. We call it to or Tori, which is served with an okra soup. So tell me in the comment box below what is your favorite African food. Now let's start with making the okra soup. So for that, I will add the meat in a pot with water and cook until my meat is tender. Then I will add more water with some fish. While that is cooking, I'm going to dissolve 2 tablespoons of peanut butter in water. Then I will pour it in the pot and cover with more water. For the ingredient list and exact measurement, please check the description box below. Now I'm going to mix my green onions, and if you love hot peppers, you can also add this here, but it is totally optional. And mix that well and set aside. If you love my recipes and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. Once the fish is cooked, remove and reserve. Now I'm going to mash 2 fresh tomatoes with water and add in the soup. I also love to add some ground beef to this soup. It will enhance the flavor and give it a really good taste. Then I will add the mixed onions. Now this is my favorite smoked fish. I talk about this every time. We call it bonga in Guinea. I already removed the bones and cut into small pieces. This is also the same smoked fish called bonga, but this time I made it in powder. Now this next ingredient is optional, but if you have it, please add it. It is an African spice that we call Soumbara in Guinea. If you love hot peppers, add them here. Then salt to your own taste. And if you are loving this recipe so far, please don't forget to rate it. I have here my fresh okras, which I'm going to slice very thinly with a scraper, and once done, I will set aside. Now let's remove the bones from the cooked fish and cut into small pieces. We are going to add this in the soup and mix well. Now you can add your favorite seasoning, whether it is homemade, beyond cook, anything you like here. Let it cook on medium heat for 20 minutes. Now add the okras and let it cook for 5 minutes before stirring everything well together. Then reduce the heat to very low and let the okras cook in the soup for a few more minutes before serving. Meanwhile, let's make the dough. For that, you need cassava flour. So I will divide my ground cassava in 2 parts. Mix the first part with water and add in a small pot. This method I'm showing you will give you a smooth consistency without any lumps. Use a wooden spoon to mix until it starts to thicken. Once it starts to thicken, stop the heat and add the remaining cassava flour. Mix well and then add room temperature water. Now put back the heat on medium and cook everything together while mixing. Beat it well until smooth. Then use a dip spoon to form the dough. And serve with the okra soup. And enjoy! Thank you so much for watching this recipe, guys, and see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.